So Chris Graphics tutorials. Today we're going to do something very simple and professional. It's going to be a markup, and we're going to use a Pixellab application to do that. Okay, so before we go ahead, if you've not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button now. Turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any new upload on this channel. We upload videos as frequent as possible to enhance your journey in graphic design. All right, so you can check out more videos and do well to watch, like, subscribe, um, you know, as you get along. All right, so click the subscribe button, just click it, and it's free, totally free, and you're going to enjoy our new uploads. You'll be notified, and you're going to enjoy them as we keep uploading weekly. Actually, every Friday we upload videos on this channel. All right, so let's begin. So the first thing to do is to click. Let me just bring in what I want to use. Okay, so this is the image I want to use. All right, that's the size over there that was set already. So this is a brochure, a trifold brochure. So let me delete this text. So what I want to do to it, I want to make it more, make the pages look more real. All right, they are just plain, except it's folded. You won't see, the demarcative lines between each fold. Okay, so that's what I want to achieve. It's very simple, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I'll show you the before and I'll show you the after. So the first thing to do, I'm going to click shape. I'm going to create a shape right here. Okay, so depending on where I want it to fold to, that's how I'm going to place my shape. All right, so I'll create a shape right here. Let me extend it, and then what I'll do from here, I can set it from here. I can choose not to set it from here and do it maybe from somewhere else. Okay, so that is not straight enough. So sorry, that's not straight enough. So what I'm going to do is let me click this plus sign, and then I'm going to choose from here. I'm going to choose from here. So this is the one I'm going to choose, this first one here. All right, so this color, I'm going to change this color to black. Okay, so you change the color to black, and you may have to just move this right here to the first to the last point. Okay, so click OK, and here's what you have. All right, so I can go ahead and click OK. All right, so I can place this right here. Okay, so this is what we have. All right, it's not looking professional at all. So what you just need to do is to reduce your opacity. You can reduce your opacity, reduce it, reduce it. Okay, still looking too sharp, so you have to just let me just set it, reduce it again. Okay, it's looking somehow better now. Let's reduce it again. Okay, all right, I think this is looking somehow more presentable. All right, I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to move it and drop it here, right here on this demarcative line where it's looking as though it's the center. All right, so I think the opacity is not much here, so let me just increase it. I'll have to increase it here, maybe little. This is 20. Let me just take it to 23 for this. I think 20 20 should be okay for this other one here, because all right, 21, 22. All right, okay, so if you look at this now, you will see as though it's folded already. Okay, so you can do what, you can save this as image. You can choose to use ultra, but I'll just save it normally. All right, if you save this and you view it in your gallery, let me go to my gallery, and I'm going to view this right here. All right, so all right, you can see how it is, as though you can see the edges. It's folded as though it's folded. All right, so this is how to achieve this kind of mockup. And then if you want to do it in another form, you can, try your hands out, and it's going to be perfect. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as we meet next week. All right, so this is a Trifold Brochure, like I've said, and you can create with Pixellab. One of the challenges with Pixellab is full how to justify text accurately. All right, justification of text in Pixellab is not very, it's not done well yet, but in the next video we're going to see how we work on that. Thank you for watching. God bless you.